Hey guys, Ultra Maximus here, and I'm going to do a bird toy review. This is a Foragewise treasure chest. This is a foraging toy where the animal actually has to figure out how to get the treat. It's a puzzle box. They got to figure out how to get the treat out. And this is kind of a hard one, how to get it out so they can get the snack or treat or whatever. And this simulates foraging in the wild for them. So this was $16.95. You can get them on the internet for about 15 bucks, 15, 20 bucks. And it's supposed to be rated for a good sized bird. So let's give this to Mango and see how he likes it. And I'll let you know how long it lasts. So let's check it out.
Oh, he's found it. He knows there's food in him. Wondering how am I going to get in there? Well, I'll let you guys know how this turns out and let him continue to explore. Thanks for watching.